What's going on? It's Miguel, aka SalesFunnelGod, and I'm right back at it with another video, and you're about to learn the top 5 mistakes you are making with your sales funnels. And the second you stop doing these, you can rest assured that you are most likely going to make way more money than you've ever been making before. So let's get into it.
Dramatic reverb.
All right, so the first mistake that you are making in your sales funnels that is preventing you from making the most amount of money possible is you do not have upsells in your funnel. Look, this is mistake number 1. The whole point of a sales funnel is to have upsells, bro. I mean, think about it. So there's a metric inside of your funnels that you want to try and get up as high as possible, and this is the average cart value, also known as the ACV. And the only way you are able to make this number move up is by having upsells. What the average cart value is it's the average amount of money that you are making per person that is buying something within your funnel. So if you have a product that is $50, let's say, and that's the only product that you have, then the average cart value can only be $50. But if you add upsells into that, man, then automatically the average cart value has to jump up, because a certain percentage of the people who go through your funnel are going to take the upsells, and boom, you're on your way to making way more money. The second mistake that you are making in your funnels that is preventing you from making the most amount of money possible is not optimizing for mobile. What do I mean by that? Look, yes, we are in a digital age. Yes, there are people who use their laptop or their desktop, but I mean, think about it. How much time do you spend on your phone versus on a laptop? Most likely significantly more. I mean, we may be different because we try to work off of a laptop, but the average person, like think about who it is that you're selling to. The average person is going to find you on their phone. They're going to be randomly scrolling through Instagram, randomly checking their email on their phone, randomly scrolling through Facebook, and then your link is going to pop up. If they open it and they see a bunch of big text that covers the whole screen, they can barely read, if the button is way too big, if a bunch of words are cut off, if a bunch of pictures are cut off because your sales page is not optimized for mobile, then you are basically, you're killing the game right there. They're going to look at it, they're going to be like, oh, this page was not meant to be looked at on a phone, and they're immediately going to close it down. You've lost the sale before you even started. You tripped on your way out of the gate during the race. You basically fucked yourself up. Don't shoot yourself in the foot like that. Optimize for mobile, like that should be the priority. And then check over back to desktop. As long as it looks all right on desktop, you're good. If you can optimize for both, like if you have that capability, like you're able to do with Clickfunnels, a free trial link in the description below. If you have that capability, then yeah, go ahead and do it. If not, then just make sure it looks good on mobile and you are golden. The third mistake that you are making with your sales funnels that is hurting your pockets, man. Hurting your pockets is not having a VSL. Think about it. We're people. We identify with other human beings. The only way you can do that is if they have the capability of seeing your face and hearing the words that come out of your mouth.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Majority of people, when they hit a sales page, are just going to look at the headline and they are just going to watch the video. They may glance through the rest of the copy. They may look at the bullet points. They may look at the little sub headlines that you have on it. But for the most part, and I do this too, I just look at the headline, I just look at the bonuses, and I am listening / watching to the VSL. What is a VSL? It is a video sales letter. It's the video that sits on the sales page where it's a talking person selling the thing that is being sold within this funnel. There should be a VSL on every single sales page that they hit. If not, you're going to see yourself make less money. Don't do that to yourself. Put a VSL on every single page for those people who don't like to read. The fourth mistake that you are making with your funnels. It's making your bank accounts cry. The fourth mistake that you were making is having horrible copy. What is copy? We've talked about it before. This is copywriting. The biggest selling point, the way that people are going to be able to identify, the way people are going to be able to know that that page is for them, that what is on that sales page is directly identified to them. And not only that, it's something that is going to be able to directly benefit something, is going to solve a pain point that they have in that moment, is to have amazing copy, solid copy that speaks to the customer it is that you are trying to sell to. If you have bad copy, then it's like putting a bad salesman on the floor. You have the capability with copywriting to hit every single pain point, to demolish every single objection that could be inside of the customer's mind. And you are only able to do that is if you have really good copy. So study on your copywriting. A good resource to use is the Kick-Ass Copywriting Secrets of a Marketing Rebel by John Carlton and The Boring Letters by Gary Halbert. Two of my favorite books when it comes to copywriting. I highly suggest you cop those. I've mentioned them a million times. I'm mentioning them now because they are amazing. The fifth and last mistake that you are making with your sales funnels that is completely demolishing your business is not working with me, bro. I mean, come on. Look at the Instagram handle. SalesFunnelGod. I do this stuff. I make sales funnels for people and they have amazing results. I'm talking 100% conversion rates. I'm not lying. I've done that multiple times. It's possible. Who would have known? If you really want to see your results like just skyrocket drastically, you want to just take the load off of your back, then you have two options. Both of them involve DMing me. If you have a business, you have a following already, send me a DM. You can at least get a conversation going. And we'll see if we can take it from there. Maybe we can potentially do some business together. The second option that you have, you can go ahead, close a client. If you close a big enough client over, DM them, let them know what it is that you do, get them on the phone. If you manage to close a big client, you are welcome to DM me. Tell me the client that you closed. Tell me what it is that they want to do inside of their business, and we can potentially work together. And you'll take the load off of your back of whether or not you're making your sales funnel properly. You will know that you'll get good results because you will have me in your corner coaching you. So if you fit into either one of these categories, go ahead, send me a DM. We can work together and we'll make some money. That's what I'm talking about. So I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video to the end. You're a beast. If there's anything you would like to learn on this channel, any sort of questions that you have, topics that you would like to discuss, whether they be business or self-development oriented, I want you to go ahead and leave a comment below. The beauty of this channel is that it's not big, which means if you leave a comment below and ask a really solid question, I'm going to look through it, I'm going to respond, and I will make a video on that topic. So go ahead, leave a comment below. Like this video, subscribe so you can see whether or not your video was actually made. It most likely will get made if it's a good question. And I just want to thank you again for taking the time to watch this, man. Yeah, have a good day, bro. Peace.